Good morning students. Topic is playing with numbers already we completed. Just I will revise once again. In that first factors, multiples. First we will discuss about factors and multiples. Okay. In that playing with numbers, then factor. For example, 6 we can write 2 into 3. 6 we can write 2 into 3. Otherwise 3 into 2. Then 2 is the 2 and 3. 3 also. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Factors of 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Then 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. In 2 multiples also is there 6 and 3 multiples also is there 6. This is the relation between multiple and factor. This is the multiple these are the factors. In any number we can write the product of two numbers or three numbers. Each number is a factor of the given number. Any number is we can write the product of two or three numbers. Then the given number is multiple of each and every that product number. For example, 6 is a multiple of 2, 6 is a multiple of 3, 2 is a factor of 6, 3 also factor of 6. Okay. Then we'll take one more example. 18. Factors of 18 equal to, factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. 1, 18s are 2, 9s are 3, 6 are. Means these each and total 6 numbers. The 6 numbers is factors of 18. Means 18 is divisible by these 6 numbers. 18 is divisible by these 6 numbers. These are about factors. And one more number we have to take. Factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15 means factors of 18 is having 6 factors. Factors of 15 is having only 4 factors. But that one is the common factor of each and every number. 1 is the common factor of each and every number. This is about factor. Then 2 also. 1 is the common factor of every number. Every number. Means each and every number is divisible by 1. Like that, 2 is the common factor of every even number. Just know these points. 1 is the common factor of every number and 2 is the common factor of every even number. If you just observe, every even number is divisible by 2. Every even number is divisible by 2, then every even number is divisible by 1 also. That's why every number the common factor is 1, every even number common factor is 2. Okay. Next, factors. Factors are limited. Factors are limited. That factors are finite. Okay. Then we'll take a small value, means 6 will take. Let one number is equal to 6. Okay, I will take 6. Now we'll find out for factors of 6 and multiples of 6. First, factors of 6. Factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Just observe. Now multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 is equal to, what are the multiples of 6? Is nothing but the table of 6. Multiple 6 table. 6 1 jar 6, 6 2 jar 12, 6 3 jar 18, 6 4 jar 24, 30, 36 and so on. Okay, just observe. Here left side is factors and right side multiples. Same number we have taken. Then factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6 only. The multiples of 6 is infinite. There is no end. There is no end. That's why the difference between factors and multiples is factors are finite, multiples are infinite of any number. Factors are finite and multiples are infinite. And one more thing, in factors, the last factor is equal to the given number. In multiples, the first value is equal to the given number. In multiples, that same number itself will start from first. In factor, itself will come last. In factors, itself will come last. In multiples, itself will come first. This is the difference between factors and multiples. Next, okay, next in the prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. First we will discuss about prime numbers. Every number is having some factors. Okay, every number is having minimum 2 factors. For example, just 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. What are the factors of 7? 1, 7. Just here observe in 3 examples. 6 is having 4 factors, 9 is having only 3 factors and 7 is having 2 factors. Like that, 5 also if you can take 1, 5. 1, 5. In that, the prime numbers is nothing but which number is having only 2 factors. Which number is having only 2 factors? That number is called prime number. Which number is having only 2 factors? On that, one of the factor is number 1 and one more factor is itself. For example, I will check with 7. 1 is the common factor. 1 is the common factor of each and every number, already we said. But then to find the factors of 7 means 1 and 7 will come. To find the factors of 5 means 1 and 5 will come. Means in prime numbers, in 7 and 5, in 3 and 2 and 11 also, this type of numbers is having only 2 factors. That 2 factors also, one of the factor is 1 and one more factor is itself. For example, 11 is equal to 1, 11. 3 is equal to 1, 3. 2 is equal to 1, 2. Just observe. Each and every number means this 7, 5, 11, 3, 2. In these numbers is having only 2 factors. One of the factor is number 1. One more factor is itself. Means to find 11. Sorry, here 11. I forgot. 11. Okay. Like that. Then this type of numbers are called prime numbers. Prime numbers is nothing but which number is having only two factors, okay, and the two factors also one of the number is 1 and one more number is itself. This type of this type of numbers are called prime numbers, okay. Which number is having more than two factors? More than two factors means three factors or four factors, whatever it is. That type of numbers is called composite numbers. Prime numbers means is having two factors. Composite numbers means is having more than two factors. Then what about 1? What about 1? First of all, we will write prime numbers and composite numbers. Just example. Prime numbers, example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Composite numbers, I am taking up to 20. I am taking up to 20. Composite numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. Okay, here total see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Up to 20 also will come. Now 19 numbers is over, prime numbers and composite numbers. What about 1? 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. Why? Because prime number is having two factors, composite numbers is having more than two factors. But 1 is having only 1. 1 is having only factor 1. That's why 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. Okay, this is about prime numbers and composite numbers. Next topic is even and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers is nothing but which number is divisible by 2, these numbers are called even numbers. Which number is not divisible by 2, that numbers is called odd numbers. For example, even numbers starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Odd numbers will start 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. This each and every number is divisible by 2 and these all numbers is not divisible by 2 will get remainder 1. That's why these numbers are called odd numbers. These numbers are called even numbers. Okay. In that next twin primes and co-primes. Twin primes and co-primes. Twin primes. Twin primes. Again write up to 20 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Twin prime numbers is nothing but the difference of two prime numbers. The difference of two prime numbers will be 2. The difference of two prime numbers will be 2. Then the two prime numbers are called twin primes. The difference of two prime numbers will be 2, number 2. Then what is the difference of this one? Is 1. What is the difference of this one? Is 2. What is the difference of this 2? Is 2. What is the difference of this 2? Is 4. Again 2. Again 4. Again 2. Means I am taking difference. The big number 2, small number. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. 13 minus 11 is 2. 17 minus 13 is 4. 19 minus 7 is 2. Here, when in some cases we are getting 1, some cases we are getting 2 and some cases we are getting 4. Means this 2 means this one. This one and this one also. Means 3, 5. 5 comma 7. Next again 11 and 13, 11 comma 13, and next again 17 comma 19. If you take this prime number, we'll take difference, we'll get 2. These prime numbers are called twin primes. Twin primes. Twin primes. The difference twin primes is nothing but the difference between two prime numbers is 2. Then the two prime numbers are called twin primes. Next, one more topic. The last topic is co-primes. Co-primes. Co-prime. If any number is having the common factor is only 1, the common factor is only 1, then the numbers are called co-primes. For example, factors of 9 is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 9. Factors of 10 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 10. The common factors is only 1, then 9 and 10 are co-primes. 9 and 10 are co-primes. One more example we'll take now. 6 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. 9 is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 9. Here the common factors is 2 is their common factors. That's why 6 and 9 are not co-primes. Understood? 6 and 9 are not co-primes. Why? Because 6 and 9 is having two common factors. That's why 6 and 9 are not co-primes. Then which numbers are having only common factor 1, then the numbers are called co-primes. Then compulsory have to take the next number, means 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, like that. Each and every pair are co-primes only. Just you have to observe each and every pair will be co-primes. Okay students, next class we will continue remaining LCM, HCM and prime factorization we will discuss about briefly. Okay, thank you.